Key in hand. Hey everybody, welcome back. Subscribe, like, comment. There you go, that's it, simple. What are we doing today? Signal light bulb on my 2002 to 2006. This is an '06 Toyota Camry. Got to replace it. How do you do that? We'll show you. We'll jump in the trunk. We won't jump in the trunk, but we'll get the camera in the trunk. I'm going to show you something here real quick. This is an '06. Just did an oil change on it. Got it ready for winter time. Gonna park this thing right away for the winter. It's gonna be parked for about 6 months. So look at the mileage. 49,129. It's never seen winter. Got the key. Let's go in the trunk. Comments? Leave them. It's brought to you by Gretzky 99. Did I say that already? Okay, here we go. Here is your access to it. My hands are going to be in the way. Simple. Pop it open. Did you see that? This is attached. 1, 2 there. This is your reverse. This is your brake and park light. And there's your signal light way up top there. Now, Toyota's made these openings really small, so you can use a pair of pliers or a pair of needle nose. I'm going to try my hands to get in here, but man, I'm telling you, I don't have the gripping strength in this hand because I've injured it so many times, and I don't think that I can't even get my, yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to use some pliers in here. Wow, that does not look like fun. And it's on a bit of an angle. Yeah, this, let me get the camera. Hopefully, the light isn't blocking it too much in there. See that gray one up top? Or hopefully the light isn't creating too much of a shadow, but wowzers. Hey, maybe I can do this. Oh, there. Hey, left hand. And I hurt my thumb already. Dang. And this is, look at this. That is in there. Come on, Toyota. Make a little bit easier access, a little more room. There you go. That's your turn signal bulb. See that? Grab that bulb. Hold your socket. Grab your bulb. Pop it out. There we go. Ooh. That needs to be changed. Look at this. I'm just inspecting the filaments here to see what I can see. And see what there's a number on this here. Sylvania. It says a 4157. That's okay. My bad eyes and everything. Yeah, 4157. Grab your new bulb. It's going back into there. We'll pop this baby back in. This is like a couple moment job. Couple minutes of that. Hold your socket. Line it up in there. Ooh, I should use gloves. Click, did you hear that? Popped it in. Now this is probably, I apologize for my hand being in the way, but I really don't know how else I can get a camera in there to show you. So it's counterclockwise to pull the socket out, clockwise to tighten. Unlock, lock. Counterclockwise, unlock. Clockwise lock. And I don't know if I have enough strength in my fingers to... Oh, look at that. Got her in. That one's done. Close her up. Just like that. There we go. Questions, comments, leave them. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And like I said, oil change is done. Car goes away for the winter time. I'm going to put about 15 kilometers on it to go park it, put it up on stands, get it ready for winter time. That's it. I'm going to put some bounce sheets inside the trunk and underneath the hood, keep the mice out. And it's raining. Gretzky 99.